Before we go back into executive session, the chair recognizes the presence of Senator De La Rosa. Meron po bang opening statement bago tayo bumalik sa executive session?
Thank you, Madam Chair.
You have the floor.
I just would like to emphasize
You have the floor, sir.
the importance of this hearing. Siguro in the previous hearings that we had conducted, hindi pa masyado na-appreciate ng Filipino people yung importance nitong hearing na ito. Marami nagsasabi na grandstanding lang yan ng mga senador. Gusto lang kuberan yung mga problema ng Pilipinas ngayon. Kaya dyan sila nakapokus kay Alice Go. Pero lately, Madam Chair, with that yung Al Jazeera report ay na-recognize natin na talagang hindi ito basta-basta na hearing na ibaliwalain lang natin. Kaya nga kahit tayo ay naka-break ngayon ay still minabuti natin na pumunta dito because this has national security implications itong ginagawa nating hearing. Kaya Madam Chair, before we go to executive session, I hope that Alice Go will bear it out sa ating because kung sabihin niya lahat sa atin somehow it will help him, it will help her a lot kung sabihin niya lahat sa atin at huwag na tayo lukuhin dahil mas matanda tayo sa kanya, batang-bata pa siya. Kahit nasabihin mong seasoned na season or well-trained siya or yung pagka-train niya sa spy ay talagang magandang foundation, still, you cannot break our experience as matandang Pilipino kumpara sa iyo, Miss Alice Go. Kaya I hope that you will declare everything during our executive session. That's all, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Salamat kaayo, Senator De La Rosa.
To follow up to the comments made by Senator Villanueva, how I wish, Madam Chair, na in a hearing as important as this, dapat siguro yung Secretary of Foreign Affairs ang andito dahil kung sino-sino pinapadala dito, parang nagpapasahan, turo, I will defer to, turo, I will defer to, Madam Chair. So, dapat siguro yung pinaka head of that agency ang andito dahil, tayo, you can just imagine that the effort that we are exerting here. This is a matter of national security. Madam Chair, baka hindi lang niyo na-realize kayo sa DFA, baka iniisip niyo puro diplomatic lang trabaho ninyo. Please naman, you should bigyan ninyo ng konting pagtingin yung national security aspect ng iyong trabaho. Yung request ng committee na ito, sana bilisan ninyo. Pati na rin sa DOJ. Huwag tayong maghintay na one day paggising natin, lahat ng mayor dito, lahat ng gobernador, mga Chinese na. At puro mga pugo people na ang may hawak na ating gobyerno. Siguro, mahirap, Madam Chair, yung nakita tayo, consistent tayo dito sa ating effort. Tapos yung taga-executive department is kung sino-sino pinapadala, pabago-bago yung tao. At wala. Dapat siguro, we have to require the head of agency. For this matter, the Secretary of Foreign Affairs should be here to answer all our queries. Madam Chair, I so move.
Salamat, Senator De La Rosa. It's a very important, not just sentiment, but thought kasi siguro pangatlong hearing na ito na sinasabi nating pasara na tayo, patapos na sana. And we're really looking at answering to a significant degree several important issues. Kaya I agree with what Senator De La Rosa has expressed na sana suklian din ng executive agencies natin yung pag-estima na ibinibigay ng mga senador sa pag-imbestiga dito na sana naging present sila dito sa posibleng huling pagdinig na natin bago i-adjourn itong investigasyon. And so I don't know if there is still time for them to remedy that within today. Pero maraming salamat, dagang salamat para dyan, Senator De La Rosa. Was that a motion that I heard from the good senator?
Yes, I am putting that as a motion if we are going to have another hearing, which I suppose meron pa, then I am going to make that motion na sana yung secretary na para wala na pasahan ng no more passing of the buck.
In that case po, Senator De La Rosa, kung pwede niyong i-hold in abeyance yung pag-act ng ating komite
Okay,
sa
madam.
inyong motion as we approach the end of this hearing dahil actually iniisip ko talaga pa-adjourn na tayo ng ating pagdinig. Lalo na tumuntong na tayo dun sa sinabi niyo ang napaka-importanting usapin ng national security. Binanggit ko naman earlier no nung palang pagkatapos ng raid no sa Bamban Pogo Hub, yung ganyang mga aligasyon na ngayon mukhang mas napapatunayan ng mga ebidensyeng nakakalap natin. So if
Madam Chair, if
if
I
you
may,
agree,
and
salamat tayo.
I
Senator
admire
Joel.
the motion filed by our dear colleague, and I know for a fact that even if we close the hearing, Madam Chair, of this particular committee, the committees of the Senate will continue to function and will call for hearings because this is, there's a lot of issues that we have unearthed here in this particular hearing. So perhaps, Madam Chair, in the next caucus of the all members caucus of this institution, let us make sure that we ask the secretary or at least the USEC level because and with all due respect to yung mga nauutusan ng secretary at departments dito, si Attorney Tago is acting director. So acting director pa, tapos si assistant prosecutor. So hilingin naman po natin, Madam Chair at dear colleagues, and I'm appealing to all of you na kung hindi man secretary, at least yung undersecretary na may alam dun sa usapin natin, Madam Chair. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Senator Joel. And I appreciate the presence of, if not the heads of agencies, but salamat sa BI, then the second in command, like of NBI, the head of PAOK, USEC din, yung mga higher level na mga resource persons na nandirito ngayon. Nagpapakita ng pag-estima sa ating investigasyon. So just to go back at this point, and salamat kaayo to Senator De La Rosa for holding in abeyance the action of the committee on his motion till towards the end of today's hearing. So
Chair?
yes,
If I may?
Senator De La Rosa.
Meron ba tayong BI dito?
Meron po, actually sila yung susunod na tatanungin ko. Alright,
Yes.
you may take first crack at it,
Yeah,
Senator De La Rosa.
Yeah, Madam Chair. Attorney Biado,
Yes, boss.
nakita na naman niyo yung mukha ni Madong Lee.
Yes, boss.
Yeah. I hope hindi tayo pagtatawanan nitong mga tao na ito because kung meron tayong sasabing sino bang above kay James Bond? Manood ka na sini.
Si M po, sir.
Yung above kay James Bond, yung
Si-
handler ni James Bond,
Si M.
M. si M.
Yes po.
Kung meron man tayong may M ni James Bond, ito na yun, yung M ng China. Chinese intelligence. Sana huwag tayong pagtatawanan nito mga tao na ito, pabalik-balik sa Pilipinas. Ngayon, hearing tayo. Nanonood yan ngayon, tawa yan ng tawa sa atin. Tapos mamaya, kinabukasan, it's a challenge tayo. Nabiyahin na naman yan, papasok sa Pilipinas. At our expense. At our national security expense. At our national interest expense. At our national pride expense. Na ginaganon tayo ng mga tao na ito. Sana kayo sa Bureau of Immigration, gawa na kagad nyo ng alert. I don't know how you do it. Basta pag makita niyo itong tao na ito na papasok sa Pilipinas, kunin niyo kaagad. I don't know how you do it. You know, kayo naman ang immigration, di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Oh, kunin niyo kaagad itong tao na ito. They'll dispose a great danger to our country.
Will do po, Your Honor.
Yung tao na ito, kung meron bang mas above kay James Bond, mas mataas ito kay James Bond, siguruhin natin ito.
Will Will do po, Your
Para hindi tayo pagtatawanan.
Yes po, Your
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you. Salamat kaayo, Senator De La Rosa. To,
Madam Chair.
Commissioner. Yes, Senator De La
I just
Rosa.
would like to advise BI
Yes po.
that itong tao na ito, kung ito ay talagang member ng Ministry of Security Services
Siya po.
ng China, he can assume other identities. In fact, mayroon pa nga tayong information na may American identity pa ito siya eh. So, siguro, as far as your official record is concerned, as Madong
Lee.
Lee,
Madam Lee.
yun lang hanggang 2018. Baka hindi natin alam na pabalik-balik pa rin yan dito, assuming other identity. So, we should double time our effort here, Commissioner.
Yes po, sir. We
Thank
will
you.
attend to it right away.
Thank
And
you.
exhaust all possibilities. And thank you for that.
Salamat po, Senator De La Rosa.
Madam
At
Chair.
Deputy.
Okay.
Yes, Senator De La Rosa.
Yes, I would like to ask the Deputy Director General ng NICA. Are you optimistic, Madam Chair? Are you optimistic, the Deputy Director is if we can get that official confirmation or denial coming from Chinese government sources as to the connection of this Madong Lee to the MSS and also yung si
Xi
Zhejiang. Are you confident? Are you optimistic na makakuha tayo ng confirmation?
Madam Chair,
Yes.
Your Honor,
Deputy.
given the state of our affairs with mainland China, it would be hard to speak as to the level of cooperation we can expect from said country. However, there are still two other factors that may determine whether or not we can establish if Xie Zhejiang is a bona fide MSS agent. One is the cooperation of our Thai partners who have jurisdiction, who have custody of Xie Zhejiang. And second, the strength of the efforts of our, again, the parallel efforts that we have without divulging the specifics, Madam Chair, as to the results yet of that parallel effort.
So if I may, Senator De La Rosa, NICA will be coordinating with DFA and DOJ, possibly, para ma-access ng gobyerno natin si Xi Zhejiang at makuha yung mga impormasyon na kailangan para maproteksyonan nyo ang gobyerno?
Madam Chair, it goes without saying that we are very much willing to cooperate. However, by the nature of our work also, you're aware that there are also other channels that we may be able to avail of.
All the better for the sake of our nation's safety. Yes,
Correct, Madam
Senator
Chair.
De La Rosa.
I'm sure NICA has a very extensive source of information, and they can get it from other sources. If they cannot get it officially from China, then they have their other sources. So I hope they will you pounce on that, Deputy Director General, para mapapalagay ang taong bayan na tayo'y alam natin kung sinong kalaban natin, sinong hindi natin kalaban, at sinong babantayan natin. Yun lang ang importante dyan para mapalagay yung taong bayan. Because iba na talaga pag national security ang pag-usapan. Everyone can be restless pagdating sa issue na yan. Yun lang, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Thank you po, Senator De La Rosa. Senator De La Rosa.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Since yung topic ay nadung kang Mr. Yang, pwede ko na rin idiretso sa PBDIC, Madam Chair. May I know from PBDIC if what is the nature of your dealings with the company of Mr. Tony Yang inside your premises?
PBDEC resource person, nasaan po kayo?
PBDIC?
Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Medrano,
Yes,
Attorney
good
Medrano.
afternoon, Madam Chair. My name is Attorney Benjamin Medrano. I'm the acting Deputy Administrator for Operations in PBDEC. So with me today is Attorney Lizelle Gusay, the acting Chief of the Legal Services Division. Thank you for your time. So the question is, what is the dealing between Tony Yang and PBDEC? So
Yeah,
what?
because lumabas during the last hearing that yung kanyang steel company is situated inside your premises. So ano bang arrangement ninyo? Locator lang ba sila? Nagrerenta ba sila or what?
Yes, Madam Chair. So Fividec is essentially a landlord. So it is the Subic of the South, right? So it's located in northern Mindanao. It's a 3,000 hectare estate. And then Phil Sanjia registered as a locator back in 2019 during the term of Administrator Quijano. So they are a registered locator. I'm referring to the company, Philippine Sanjia Steel Development Corporation.
Senator Joel, if I may? Yeah, just
Senator De La Rosa.
short interjection. Attorney, who was that administrator during that time that made that report of rice and drug smuggling inside that facility?
Back in 2021, Madam Chair, the administrator was Pompey Lavinia.
Still the administrator today.
No more.
What is he now in PBDEC? Kasi inimbitahan po siya ng komite, nag-reply sila.
He's no longer with Fividec.
Ano na po siya sa... Wala na siyang posisyon sa PBDEC?
No more, Madam Chair.
Alright. Pero at least sinagot niya yung imbitasyon ng komite. Hindi lang sila makapunta ngayon.
I am not.
No, I'm
Oh.
just informing
Okay.
So,
everyone present.
Chair, before you continue,
Senator De La Rosa.
can we make a formal declaration from the resource person kung sino ba talaga siya? Ano ba talaga identity niya? Before we start questioning her.
Yes,
Is-
Senator De La
is she
Rosa. Ang hirap,
Jessica Francisco
Apo.
or
ang,
what's the other name?
Mary Ann Maslow.
Mary Ann Maslow.
Opo. Ang hirap, no? Hindi lang isang tao yung dinidetermine natin yung identity.
Mahirap.
Dalawa pala. Okay.
Can we
So, ma'am, ano po ba ang pangalan nyo? Sino ba kayo?
Good afternoon, Madam Chair. Good afternoon, good senators. I'm Jessica Francisco.
Okay. Yun
And,
po yung sagot niya.
I'm Jessica Francisco, sir.
Okay. Yun yung sagot po niya, Senator De La
Well,
Rosa.
where did we get that name, Maslow?
Mayroon pong mga artikulo, including investigative articles na lumalabas na sa media based on linking to previous cases na kinilala itong tao di umano bilang sa isang dating or totoo niyang pangalan bilang Mary Ann Maslow.
And she was
Sir.
arrested, Madam Chair?
Yes,
Within
Senator.
those of Senator, but she was
Yes.
arrested or she was detained. I don't even know her
Senator.
status right now
Yes.
because she is Mary Ann Maslow.
Yes,
Is that
Mr.
correct?
Yes, Senator Joel. And for the record, dun sa tanong din ni Senator De La Rosa, Mary Ann Maslog, yung di umanong namatay na textbook scammer, pero Jessica Francisco, yung bagong pangalan nila. So, yun po, Senators De La Rosa and Joel.
Mahirap mag-start mag-imbestiga ng tao, Madam Chair, na hindi natin ma-establish talaga yung real identity niya to start to begin with. So, ikaw ba talaga yung Mary Ann Maslow na accordingly involved sa textbook scam at may istorya na namatay?
Your Honor, I invoke my right to keep silent because we have a case right now.
No. You
Sounds
cannot
familiar,
invoke that
Senator De La
right.
Rosa.
You cannot invoke that right because kung sabihin mo yung mayroong Supreme Court ruling dyan, walang subjudice rule cannot apply in legislative inquiry in aid of legislation. You cannot invoke that right. Kaya nga, klaruhin natin ito kasi para tayong gago dito, nagtatanong kami sa iyo as Jessica Francisco, tapos ikaw pala Mary Ann Maslog din. Then, klaruhin natin ito. Dahil, para mong niluloko yung committee nito kung hindi ka magsabi sa totoo mong pangalan.
Senator De La Rosa, baka pwede nating tanungin ng NBI?
NBI.
Si Attorney Magno, i-establish yung identity ng resource person. Attorney Magno, please.
Good afternoon, Madam Chair, honorable senators. On September 25, our Fraud and Financial Crime Division conducted an operation for against a certain Dr. Jessica Francisco and allegedly one who is Mary Ann Maslog. In this particular case, they were able to confirm through forensic that this Jessica Francisco and Mary Ann Maslog is one and the same person.
Madam Chair?
Yes,
what
please,
particular forensic
Senator De La Rosa.
evidence can you provide this committee stating that he's one and the same person?
It is a fingerprint analysis, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair.
So if that is so, you confirm na siya talaga si Mary Ann Maslog.
As far as the dactyloscopy report is was made by the our expert, Madam Chair.
So, Madam Chair, I am inclined to believe that this committee should treat this information coming from the NBI as official.
Yes, Senator
So,
De La Rosa.
for me, you are not Jessica Francisco. You are, as far as this committee is concerned, you are Mary Ann Maslog.
Yes,
Am I
Senator
clear?
De La Rosa.
Am I correct, Mary Ann? Please remove your. Am I correct to assume that you are Mary Ann?
Sir, right now we have an identity hearing on the 28th and on 29th of October in Sandigan Bayan. That's why I invoke my right to keep silent, sir.
I don't think your invocation of that privilege is applicable to this committee. I am telling you, if you keep on invoking that, I will presume that you are uncooperative to this inquiry. Madam Chair.
Yes, salamat kayo, Senator De La Rosa. The chair agrees that, and please, Comsec, could we change the nameplate to that of Mary Ann Maslog? Opo, in the same way na pinanghawakan talaga at pinanindigan natin yung dactyloscopy analysis ng NBI sa kaso ni Guo Huaping, why should we not do the same for Mary Ann Maslog? Remembering also yung sinabi ng dactyloscopy expert nila na bawat isang fingerprint natin sa bawat daliri ay unique at hindi nagkakapareho sa sino mang ibang tao. Are you a member of
Who is
PNP?
PNP, Madam Chair? PNP in particular.
Senator De La Rosa.
PNP in particular. Sino?
The intelligence group, sir.
Sino? Name.
Sir, it's the IG group, sir.
IG Group.
Yes, sir.
Huh? But I have an information.
So,
Member ba kayo ng member ba kayo ng PNP-IG?
no, ma'am.
But
So, anong pangalan?
we've been waiting. Who is it?
General Macapas po.
Macapas?
General Macapas. So
So,
why?
paano nyo na-meet si si Guo Huaping through General Macapas in
No,
Indonesia?
I did not meet Alice through General Macapas.
So,
I was informed.
How did you meet her?
I was stopped po kasi they know that I am a friend of Mayor Kalugay.
okay, friend kayo ni Mayor Kalugay.
Yes.
How are you a friend of Mayor Kalugay?
I've met Mayor Kalugay 2022 through
How?
Dante Katabay.
Dante Katabay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, how did
Madam
you...
Chair. Madam
Yes,
Chair.
Senator De La Rosa.
Can you confirm that? Mayor
Yes.
Kalugay? Mayor Kalugay? Can you confirm that? Kilala kayo?
Opo, Your Honor.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Senator De La Rosa. Salamat kayo. So, okay, so you met Mayor Kalugay through Dante Katabay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, baka gusto pa namin i-pursue yan, but continue muna. Paano mo na-meet si Guo Huaping at anong papel ni General Macapas?
No, they were just requesting if it is possible po kaya na kasi there was a talk na mag-surrender po si Miss Alice.
Who's
So, so ang nangyari
Who's
po,
talk that she would
then,
surrender?
meron pong mga sa newspaper na magsusurrender po si Miss Alice. So meron na po kasing lumabas that time na warrant from your office.
From the Senate.
From the Senate po.
Mhm.
So, I talked to Mayor Kalugay if
Ah.
there is a way for him to contact Miss Alice.
Bakit mo naisip na through Mayor Kalugay makokontakt mo si Go Huaping? Anong pagkaalam mo sa ugnayan nila?
Sa pool.
Are they business partners, for example?
I don't think so.
Your Honor, I was told po that they had a relationship.
Told by?
Kasi po,
What kind of relationship?
ang pagkakaalam ko po, sir, but I've never seen them together. But I will tell you, ang pagkakaalam ko po, that naging mag-on po sila. That's it.
Okay, so that's why you asked Mayor Kalugay paano kontakin si Go Huaping.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Kinikilig to si Alice Go. Kita mo.
Natatawa pa
Go
ako. Your
Huaping.
She's squirming on
Okay.
her.
Okay, sandali lang. You're not yet recognized to speak at this moment. So, Miss Maslog, after nagtanong kayo kay Mayor Kalugay, paano nyo kinontak si Go Huaping?
Actually po, in fairness to Mayor Kalugay, he said po, he does not want to involve himself.
Okay,
And
so
he
paano nyo
has no
finally
way.
na-contact
He
si
said
Go
po,
Huaping?
he has no way of contacting Alice.
So, paano nyo siya na-contact?
So what happened po was so we backtrack and
Madam Chair.
Senator De La Rosa.
Gusto ko lang maklaro, Madam Chair. Paano ka nakapasok sa eksena? Were you the one who volunteered to General Macapas or Macapas approached you? Which is which?
aware po kasi sila na magkaibigan po kami ni Mayor Kalugay. That is the only reason po.
So, you mean to say, si General Macapas ang kumontak sa'yo na tulungan mo kami na mapasurrender si Alice Go?
Yes, sir.
Siya ang...
We are actually, sir, I don't know how to explain it. Kasi meron na nga pong warrant during the time po, sir.
Hindi. Ang tanong ko is, yung paano nag-start ito? Ikaw bang pumunta kay Macapas, nag-volunteer ka, or si Macapas pumunta sa'yo para humingi ng tulong sa'yo?
I wouldn't say they were asking for help. They were just saying po na if it is possible to contact the good mayor. If
Ikaw,
he knows
kalaroin natin,
po.
ikaw ang nilapitan ni Macapas.
Yes, sir.
Why? Why in the world? Bakit ikaw pinunta ni Macapas?
No, sir, it is like what I said po, sir. They are aware of my friendship with the mayor.
So, meaning to say, matagal ka nang kilala ni Macapas.
Yes, sir.
Matagal ka nang kilala ni Macapas, ha?
Yes.
So, nilapitan ka niya para tumulong.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair,
Salamat
if I may,
kayo,
I just-
Senator De La Rosa. Senator De La Rosa.
Di kaya ang unique na sitwasyon mo because meron kang kaso na textbook scam, kaya ka ginamit at ikaw no choice ka dahil parang hostage ka ng gobyerno dahil may kaso ka ng textbook scam. Kung hindi ka magpapagamit, tapos ka. O see that? Hindi nag-materialize ngayon. Ano? Huli ka. Huli ka, di ba? Huli ka ngayon.
In fairness to General Macapas po, he knows me as Jessica Francisco.
Okay. Did you visit Alice Go doon sa detention niya sa dito muna.
Senator De La Rosa, if I may, backtrack ng konti.
Backtrack ko.
Apo.
Remember ha, kahit na
Senator
nakakulong
De La
ka,
Rosa.
you are under oath.
Yes.
You do not make up stories here.
I'm not
Madali
making
kang
up
mahuli dito.
stories, sir.
Kaya nga, bakit nag-iisip ka nga? Oh, ang tagal mo mag-isip. Simple question coming from Senator Joel Villanueva o ni si Senator Jingo Estrada. Anong papel mo doon? Bakit ka pumunta ng Indonesia para kausapin si Go Waping? Anong papel mo? Sige.
Madam Chair,
It's a
Goodness,
very
Helping who,
sensitive
Madam Chair?
case,
Helping
Senator
who?
De La Rosa.
this is too much lie, Madam.
Helping who?
I am not lying, Your Honor.
O si you,
Who is
helping who?
helping?
Sino? Sino tinutulungan mo?
You know why you're lying?
Senator De La Rosa.
Madam Chair, I was a former chief of staff of IG. I became the deputy director for operations of intelligence group, IG. I became a deputy director for administration of intelligence group. How come in the world na nahuli na si Alice Go doon? Kaya kailangan ka pa dalhin ni Makapas doon sa Indonesia para kumbinsihin si Alice Go? I don't see any logic. Wala ako nakikitang intelligence value sa presensya mo, sa papel mo doon. Bakit ang IG gagamitin ka? Huli na siya eh. Huli na siya. Bakit ka kasama sa IG? Wala akong nakita ang intelligence value sa'yo. Siguro ang intelligence value sa'yo kung magamit ka for any other reasons na pwede kang gamitin.
Your Honor, the instructions po is this.
Sino ang nagbigay ng instructions?
Sa PNP po,
Sino?
si General Macapas.
Anong instructions niya?
Na sana umuwi that she will, kung pwede siya kausapin, na
Oo, yun na. Huli ka. That she will at kung pwede siyang kausapin. Alam mo,
no, that's
matagal
what
na
I'm saying.
akong pulis. Ikaw, sinungaling ka.
No.
Napakasinungaling mo. Gumagawa ka ng istorya ngayon. Meron kang tinatago. Ha? Hindi kita papalabasin dito sa session rule ito kahit na hawak ka na ng NBI. Tilio. Hindi kita papalabasin dito sa session rule ito.
Sige.
Kung hindi ka magsabi ng totoo.
Sige,
Senator De La Rosa.
Madam Chair, I don't know how to deal with this kind of resource person. Pero alam mo, I suspect nandoon ka, pupunta ka sa Indonesia because somebody is using you for an irregular operation. Kang lingo-lingo dyan. I am sure. Somebody is using you. I suspect. Ano? Ano masasabi mo ngayon?
Ms.
No,
Maslog.
Ha?
No, Your Honor.
No?
No, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Huwag mo ako lukuhin. Huwag mo ako lukuhin.
I am not, Your Honor.
I have the goods against you. I have the goods against you. But, Madam Chair, next, I will pin you down. I will pin you down. I tell you. I will pin you down. I will pin you down. I am sure about it. I will pin you down. Huwag mong gamitin yung pagkamaro mo. Kung dumaan ka na, namatay ka na noon at ngayon bigla kang nabuhay at ngayon ginagamit ka for irregular operations against us. You cannot, hindi ka makakalusot sa akin. I tell you. I tell you. Madam Chair, thank you.
Madam Chair.
Salamat kayo, Senator De La Rosa.
Hirap na hirap nga ang IG magpadala ng ahinti pupunta sa ibang bansa. Ikaw pa na you are not a part of IG, hindi ka organic ng IG, kagastusan ka ng IG. Kaya the more kami nagsususpek na meron ka talagang ibang pakay doon. Meron kang iba. Ha? Madam Chair,
Yeah.
Madam Chair, can I move forward for a while? A little bit.
You certainly may, Senator De La Rosa. But
Mayroon
before-
akong information na bumisita ka doon sa kulungan ni Alice Go dito sa Pilipinas. Bumisita ka?
Yes, sir.
How many times?
2 times.
Anong purpose mo doon?
First, sir, tinatanong ko po siya sa mga statement po na ginawa po niya, sir.
May ginawa siyang statement?
No, not a statement. What I'm saying, we were talking about ano po sa kanya, yung how do you say it, yung kung ano po ang nangyari sa kanya.
Ano ang pakialam mo sa kanya?
Speaker pro tempore.
Klaruhin ko na lang sa'yo. Ha? Ha? For the record, meron kong informasyon. Ha? Na you are being used para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit. Affidavit na magsuturo na si President Duterte, si Senator Bungo, si Senator Bato, si General si IDG, General Karamat ay nasa likod ng pugo. Merong tao from Malacanang nag-uutos sa'yo. Meron akong information. I can pin you down, my God. Ha? Huwag kang pailing-iling dyan. Alam pong informasyon na yan. Is that correct?
No,
Anong
sir.
purpose mo? Bakit ka pupunta doon kay Alice Go? 2 bisis ka pumunta. Anong purpose mo doon? Be, sige.
At sino kasama mo?
Like what I said, sir, ang kasama ko po pagpunta doon sa Indonesia ay IG po.
Ang
We have
tinatanong ni
General Macapas online
Sen.
to
Bato,
cross-check.
sino ang kasama mo pumunta sa kulungan ni Alice Go? Yun ang tanong ko.
Ako lang po, tsaka ang si attorney po.
Hindi ka papapasukin doon na ikaw lang.
Alam mo, galing ako dyan eh.
Tuktok mo.
Galing ako dyan sa custodial eh. Mahirap makapasok dyan. At sino ka para makapasok doon? Ang makakapasok lang doon, abogado, pare, kamag-anak, doktor,
O opisyal.
ikaw. Ano relasyon mo sa kanya? Doktor ka ba?
No, sir.
Pari ka ba? O ano ka ba?
No, sir.
O ano?
I don't have
Abogado ka ba?
No, sir.
Paano ka nakapasok? Who initiated the meeting? And how did you enter the custodial center?
The first time po na pumasok po kami doon, I was still with IG po.
Chair, before you continue,
Yes, Senator De La
it
Rosa.
is very clear that Mary Ann Maslog is lying before this committee.
Mm-mm.
Sabi niya kanina na siya daw ay in-approach ni General Macapas.
Mm-mm.
Ngayon si General Macapas ang nagsasabi na si
Ang
Mary Ann Maslog
nag-volunteer.
ang pumunta sa kanya, nag-volunteer. So with that, Madam Chair, I move that this Miss Mary Ann Maslog be cited in contempt. Kanino tayo maniwala? Sa isang textbook scammer o itong general, one-star general? Kanino tayo maniwala? So I move that she be cited in contempt.
So
Before we
motion,
continue.
motion that Mary Ann Maslog be cited in contempt,
Second.
Second the motion,
Second.
Madam Chair.
duly seconded. So
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, colleagues.
Salamat kayo, Senator De La Rosa. So Ms. Maslog, you are cited in contempt by the Senate committee.
Sinong namamasahe sa
Senator-
kanya? Sinong mamamasahe sa kanya?
Yes, sir.
General.
If I may, sir.
Sino?
Sa
Gastos
General,
lang po niya yung sarili, sir.
Sarili niya.
iba yung
Opo.
sinabi niya.
Napakagaling naman. Gagastos niya para sa ganung effort. Tapos sabi niya,
Nire-reimburse
ng
niya.
IG. Alam mo,
Sen-
General Macapas, in
Sir.
this case, pareho tayong galing sa IG. This case, Mary Ann Maslog is your action agent. Ikaw ang agent.
Handler,
Ano
sir.
ka?
Handler,
Ano ka?
sir.
Agent, handler, or manager?
Ako na mismo ang handler, sir, dahil ako lang ang may nakakilala sa kanya.
Okay. Okay, ngayon, you're the agent handler, she is the action agent. Paano to siya nakakuha ng linya doon sa Indonesian National Police without your knowledge na ikaw mismo ang handler? Bakit nakadirekta siya doon? Tinitext daw siya ng Indonesian authorities na huli na namin si Alex Go. Andito na. Ikaw hindi mo alam. You're the IG director, I suppose. But ngayon, saan ka na ba ngayon?
Currently, sir, I am still holding the IG, sir.
O IG ka pa rin. Pero
Ah.
your incoming RD
RD Barm, sir. Yes, sir. Opo.
ng
Barm, sir. Yes, sir.
farm. Congratulations.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
good accomplishments.
Yes,
You're
sir.
from IG, you're now RD. That's
Yes,
quite a
sir.
big feather on your cap. Congratulations, Ewa. Congratulations. Pero my question remains, paano nangyari na ikaw ang agent handler ng isang action agent na siya na dumidirekta doon nakipag-connect sa Indonesian National Police? Ikaw na blind ka.
I have no idea, sir, actually. Kasi pumutok yung balita, sir, na nahuli si Alice Guo 7 o'clock in the morning sa TV natin. During that time, sir, nakipag-Zoom conference na po kami with the Indonesian authorities. Kasama ko po si Chief PNP, pati yung contacts namin sa counterpart natin dito, yung attaché nila dito, pati yung Indonesian police. Hindi po kami dumaan sa kay Ma'am Jessica. Alam namin na nahuli na Indonesian police sir ang nagsasabi sa amin. Ngayon yung si Ma'am Jessica,
Di ba, sandali. Di
Yes,
ba, during the previous hearing, kinongratulate pa kita, pinagmayabang pa kita sa committee
Yes,
na
sir.
yung IG nagtatrabaho yan kahit na walang intelligence fund. Di
Yes,
ba?
sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, dahil kayo, sa buong Pilipinas, kayong unang nakakaalam that Alice Go has left the country already.
August 14 pa lang,
August 14.
Senator De La Rosa.
Exact, Madam Chair.
Yes, sir.
Di ba?
Yes,
Kayo ang nakauna nakakaalam na nahuli ay nakalabas na pala.
Yes, sir.
Inongratulate kita.
Yes,
Mga
sir.
job
Thank you, sir.
yan. O ngayon, itong agent mo, hindi mo na na-handle ng properly. So, there is an agent mishandling in this case. Bakit siya nakakadirekta doon sa Indonesian National Police? Or, meron kang alam na mas mabigat na trabaho na ibinigay dito kay Miriam Maslog, kaya wala kang control sa kanya because somebody above you is controlling Miriam Maslog. I have an information. You cannot deny to me. I have a very, very accurate information na siya ay inuutusan ng somebody from Malacanang para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit implicating President Duterte, Senator Bongo, Senator Bato, and General Karamat as the people behind the operation of Pugo. I have a very, very A1 information.
Sir, if I may, Your Honors,
Yes, General.
Yeah.
as to the connection of Ma'am Jessica to the Malacanang, sir, wala po akong alam dyan. Kasi ang pinag-usapan lang talaga namin, sir, ay yung whereabouts lang ni Alice.
Pero if I may interject, Senator De La Rosa, meron ding baliktad na sinabi si Miss Maslog sa amin kanina na sumama siya sa inyo nung naaresto na si Guo Huaping sa Indonesia, na pareho pa rin daw ang mission niya na kumbinsihin si Guo Huaping mag-surrender. Huli na nga, arestado na nga, no choice na babalik talaga sa Pilipinas. So, bakit kasama pa siya dun sa pangalawang trip niyo sa Indonesia?
Your Honors, please, the second time na kinuha namin si Alice, right after nung nalaman yung pumutok sa media na aresto na si Alice, Doktora Jessica called me up. Ang sabi niya, pupuntahan niya si Alice. Kasi during the time, Your Honors, nag-arrange na po si Secretary Abalos na kukunin namin sa Indonesia. Hindi po siya kasama. We were on our trip, si Secretary Abalos, si Chief PNP, ako, pumunta ng Indonesia on a private plane, yung contact ni Secretary Abalos po. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan siya pumunta doon at hindi ko
Pumunta siya
alam.
ng mag-isa niya, sir. Hindi kasama ninyo.
Hindi po, Your Honors. Hindi po namin siya kasama.
Sino nag-authorize sa kanyang pumunta? At bakit siya pinayagang pumunta at sumama?
Hindi po namin siya kasama, Your Honors. The second time na kinuha namin si Alice, hindi po namin siya kasama.
Madam Chair.
Pero
SP
nakita siya doon.
Before I call
Nakita siya
SP
doon.
Pro Tempore, si Senator Sherwin kanina pa. And then
Madam
SP
Chair,
Pro
quick
Tempore.
interjection lang. General, bakit hindi kayo dumiretso kay Attorney David?
Oh.
Halos araw-araw nasa TV siya. Kung kami nga nakakadiretso kay Attorney David, pag iinimbitahon namin dito, bakit hindi pa kayo dumiretso doon at nakinig pa kayo sa isang pugante?
Your Honors, ganito po. Wala po kasi akong personal talaga na kontak kay Attorney David.
Sa laki ho ng PNP, Intelligence Group, hindi ba ho niyo pwedeng diretsang i-access na lang po si Attorney David? Pangalawa, Intelligence Group po kayo. Ang kausap niyo ho, pugante ho to. Nagnakaw ng 24 million. Nagpanggap na patay at tumakbo sa Amerika. At ngayon, ginagamit niyo siya. Kriminal ho to. Bakit hindi niyo na-detect as Intelligence Group?
Your Honors, please, we came to know only nung sinare na yun ng information ng NBI with us kung sino siya. Wala po, initially hindi po namin siya nakilala, Your Honors.
Parang ang ano ko ang napipick up ko ho dito, naisahan ho kayo.
Pare-pareho kayong na-scam.
Kayong
Big
na intelligence pero siya pa may matibay na intelligence kung paano ho kayong lokohin.
Big time na isahan kayo.
Madam
Kasi
Chair.
sabi ni, before I call SP Pro Tempore, sabi ni Miss Maslog kay Attorney David, may kilala daw siyang PNP top brass. Pero sabi naman niya sa PNP, may contact siya kay Guo Huaping. So, pareho kayong na-scam. SP Pro Tempore.
Hindi na-scam, Madam
General.
Chair. Sa akin, hindi na-scam. Yung
Ibig mo
PNP.
sabihin lahat
Hindi
para
ganun kabubo yung intelligence group na may scam.
Okay,
I know.
thank you, Senator
something-
De La Rosa.
Something heavier,
Yung
something
tinatanong niya,
bigger behind.
pending pa
everything.
yun.
Hindi yan ganyang
May ibang intention.
basta-basta. Hindi basta-basta
May
malukang
ibang
intelligence group. Napakagaling na mga tao dyan. Diyan na yan nag-start maging police sa intelligence group hanggang mag-retire dyan na yan. Kaya hana, ano yan, very sharp intelligence operatives yung mga tao dyan. I don't think na naisahan sila.
Okay, pending pa yung
Thank you,
tanong niyo,
Madam Chair.
Senator De La Rosa.
Madam Chair, Senator Jinggoy,
Senator De La
just
Rosa.
one. General Macapas,
Yes, sir.
anong purpose mo? Bakit mo sinamahan doon?
As I have said, sir,
Ano sinamahan? Anong purpose?
as I have said, sir, they were the first people na nakunta ko po para ma-aresto ko si Alice. So,
Tapos na, na-arresto na eh.
Yes,
Wala
sir.
na.
Yes, sir.
Oh, nakakulong
Out
na si Alice ngayon sa kulungan. What's your business going to Alice Go? Anong purpose mo doon? Bakit kayo pinuntahan niyo? Kasama mo si Maslog.
Sir, if I may, Your Honors, out of gratitude lang, sir, sa tulong ni Attorney David, through them, nakuha ko si Alice.
Gratitude.
General, wag naman.
Mas
Hindi po gratitude. Professionals po kayo.
na
Oo, hindi po ito usapin ng utang na loob. You did your jobs. It was a job well done. Sorry to interject, Senator De La Rosa, pero gratitude, ngayon lang ako nakarinig ng ganyang salita in this context. Please proceed. So please be candid and transparent with the committee, General.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sa SP Pro Tempore, sandali lang.
Sagutin yung tanong ni Senator Joel. We will wait for your answer.
Yes, sir. The reason why na sumama ako, nag-facilitate ako during their visit is actually, sir, Your Honors, ang sabi ni Ma'am Jessica, mayroon si Alice i-reveal na informasyon vital sa kampanya natin.
ano yun?
Panya,
Ano yun? Impormasyon na yun.
anong
May
vital
mga-
information?
Sige.
May mga involved pa na malalaking tao. Alice,
Yun na.
sabi niya,
Yun na, yung pangalan ni President Duterte, pangalan ko, pangalan ni Bungo, pangalan ni General Karamat, na i-implicate doon sa pinabit na hinahanda ni Maslog. Yun na,
Were you successful?
no, sir.
Madam Chair,
Senator De La Rosa.
if I may,
Yes.
in as much as I want to know the truth, but I understand the predicament of General Macapas. Alam ko kung anong sitwasyon niya ngayon. Kung pwede, pagbigyan muna natin siya this time. Kung pwedeng Alam ko sitwasyon niya ngayon eh. Pero
So you
Kung
are
pwede-
requesting
kung
what,
pwedeng,
Senator De La Rosa?
mapagbigyan natin siya ng executive session kung gusto niya.
Nasaan ka, General?
Your Honors, please,
Yes,
nandito lang po
Pro
ako sa Camp Crame, sir. I can run up to the Senate immediately, sir.
Madam Chair, Madam Chair.
Yes,
if I may-
Senator De La Rosa.
Ako, General Macapas, nothing personal between us. Alam ko magaling ka na opisyal. I trust you. Pero, ang mali mo lang, hindi mo na control itong scam artist mo na action agent. Yun lang ang akin sa'yo. Naniniwala ko sa'yo na wala ka, you are not a party to this whatever yung grand design na pinaplano kung sinong nasa likuran nito ni Mary Ann Maslog. Alam ko, honest ka na tao. Hindi mo lang na-control itong kuan mo, itong agent mo. Kaya, kasi hindi mo control. Dahil somebody from above you is the one controlling her.
Baka ano?
Direkta ito. Direkta ito, tumatawag. Very iwan information ko. Direkta tumatawag ito doon sa Malacanang. Kaya, I understand your situation.
Bago,
Okay lang, Madam Chair.
Salamat kayo, Senator De La Rosa. Bago ko tawagin about the
before
option of
you speak, Madam Chair,
session. Yes, Senator De La
ako,
Rosa.
I want to open up sa inyo. Hindi po masama ang loob ko kung ayaw ninyo i-grant, ha? Kasi alam ko, nagpalabas na kayo ng sa loobin nyo kanina na ayaw nyo.
Opo.
Ako lang, being former policeman, naintindihan ko lang yung sitwasyon ni General Macapas.
I
Kaya
understand.
ako pinalabas. Pero kung ayaw ninyo, I don't have to go to dividing the house. Okay na ako sa inyo. Ako, pinalabas ko lang sa loobin ko dahil naawa ko sa kanya. Alam ko sitwasyon niya.
I understand
Yun lang, Madam
po,
Chair. Thank you.
Senator De La Rosa.
But before she answers, Madam Chair,
Senator De La Rosa,
before you answer, ikaw, wala kang chain of command na binabantayan. Unlike General Macapas, takot yan siya dahil may mga taas pa sa kanya na pwedeng mag-sanction sa kanya. Ikaw, wala kang command. Sariling command ka. So this committee is expecting the true answer coming from you. Ano yung impormasyon na sinasabi mo?
Hindi ko po alam kung I did not give any information po directly kay
no. Anong information ang narinig nyo kay Go Huaping nung kinausap nyo? Anong sinabi niya?
Actually po, when I talked to Alice po, kwento lang po ni Alice sa akin lahat from the beginning kung paano po siya nagsimula pagka-mayor. At saka sa lahat po na sinong nag-udyok.
Hindi kami interesado dyan.
Hindi nga, Miss Maslog. At alam nyo, hindi yan ang tinatanong namin sa inyo.
Madam Chair, babalik ka
Senator
dalawang beses
De La
sa
Rosa.
kulungan ni Alice Go for that purpose alone? Makipagkwentuhan? Ha? Do you want this committee to believe you? Na magkwentuhan lang? Dalawang beses ka pumunta. Anong pakay mo? Bakit ka pumunta doon?
There was a communication, Your Honor.
What
There
communication?
was a message po.
Miss
Your
Maslog, ibaba nyo po yung tono nyo.
I'm
in
sorry.
answer.
Go ahead, Madam Chair.
Ano yung communication?
Kaya
sorry.
siya magtaas ng boses.
No, I'm sorry, Your
Okay,
Honor.
so
It's just
tell us about the communication.
okay, Your Honor. There was a communication of a person named ALG.
Initials of Alice Leal Guo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
There was a communication of ALG na kumakausap po sa amin, sa akin po sa messages. And also talk to the good general. So yung pong message po na yon po involved a lot of people.
Like who?
Hindi ko nga po just a
A lot
lot.
of people, hindi mo maalala. Ay, very selective naman yung memory mo. Alam mo, a lot of people, tapos hindi mo masabi ngayon. Sino? Involve a lot of people. Sinong people? Oh, takot ka na merong hahabol sa'yo after this hearing? Sino?
that communication po, Your Honor, from an ALG was telling the general mga pangalan po ng mga tao.
Kaya nga, sino
Ano-
nga yung mga
ano
tao na yun?
Ano involvement ng mga taong ito? Ano ginagawa nito mga taong ito na nabanggit mo?
Miss Maslog?
Madam Chair, hindi
Yes,
niya
Senator De La
masabi-sabi.
Rosa.
Dahil siya mismo ang may hawak ng affidavit na gustong papirmahan kay Alice Go na ipinpoint si President Duterte, Senator Go, Senator Bato at si General Karamat na nasa likuran ng Pugo Operations.
No, sir.
Yan ang totoo. Huwag ka magsinungaling dito.
Sir, there was
Ah.
no affidavit po. That's
Wow.
not true, sir.
Alice, pumunta siya doon sa'yo two times?
Go hopping.
Pumunta siya doon 2 times? You may answer this or not. Basta pumunta ba siya 2 times? Bumisita?
Madam Chair, opo, 2 times po.
O, pumunta siya. Anong purpose ng magpunta niya doon sa'yo?
Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, can I consult my lawyer po?
Okay, you can talk to your lawyer.
Miss Maslog? So,
Yes, ma'am.
ano yung kahit ilan sa mga maraming pangalan na sinasabi mong information na yan? Sinight ka na namin in contempt.
I know, Your Honor.
You are here in the Senate. At kahit ubus na ang PC namin sa isang resource person, pag cited in contempt at nasa custody ng Senate, well, of course, pending this coordination with the NBI. So you are not only in the protection of the NBI, pati kahit ubus na ang PC namin sa inyo, pati protection ng Senate. So what is your answer to our question?
Your Honor, can I just submit the document, Your Honor, sa inyo?
Submit it now. It's 3
I
minutes to 5
I
o'clock.
don't have it right
Write
now,
it
Your
down
Honor.
on paper. May papel kayo dyan, di ba?
Bakit ba ayaw mo sabihin, excuse me, Madam
Yes.
Chair, bakit ayaw mo pa sabihin,
SP pro tempore.
Marian?
The reason, Your Honor, is that because I am not sure if that's true.
No, no.
And
It
I
doesn't
don't
matter
want to-
if it's true. Miss Maslog, kami po magtitimbang sa lahat na narinig namin sa mga resource persons na karaang mga buwan, mga taon. Kami po sa komite magtitimbang. Alin ang mukhang totoo, alin ang mukhang sinungaling. So we just need the raw information from you. Yung ibang mga resource persons, yung ilan na ayaw sumagot verbally, sige, pinasulat namin sa papel. Submit it to us now through the COMSEC so that the committee members can see.
Before that, habang
SP pro
sinusunod.
tempore.
Mayor Kalugay. Tatakbo ko ba ulit? Mayor?
Nakapag-file na po ako, Your Honor.
For,
Oh.
Mayor,
Opo, Your
pang
Honor.
ilang term mo sana ito?
Pangatlo po, Your Honor.
Pangatlo? Last term na?
Opo, Your Honor.
Malungkot ka. Di makakapag-file si Alice. No. Hindi na kayo makakapag-share ng couple shirt. Yung bag na padala sa suwal, padala sa Bamban, hindi na kayo magkakapareho, no?
Hindi naman po, Your Honor.
Yun lang.
Miss Maslog, nasulat nyo na ba? Oo.
Madam Chair,
Senator De La Rosa.
just a small information na gusto ko ipa-confirm kay Ms. Maslog. Sino yung taga Malacanang na tumatawag sa'yo? Na pupunta ka doon sa kulungan? Nagbibigay ng instruction sa'yo para papirmahin ng affidavit si Alice Go?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala? Are you sure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Anyway, na-contempt ka naman eh. Na-contempt ka naman.
Senator De La Rosa.
Sabi mo kayo nabasa mo. Nabasa mo lang yan. Yung file dun, nabasa mo lang. Saan mo nabasa? Saan mo nabasa?
Doon po sa communication nga po
Anong communication?
between yung certain ALG po.
Certain ALG.
Opo.
So meaning, Alice Go.
I will not, hindi ko po alam. Basta ALG po ang nakasulat.
Hindi mo kaya nabasa yung pangalan na yan doon sa prepared affidavit na gusto mong papirmahan kay Alice Go?
Your Honor, wala po akong papipirmahan kay Alice, Your
Kang
Honor.
magsinungaling. I have A1 information. Alam ko. Kaya sabihin mo na kung sino yung nag-utos sa yung taga Malacanang na papirmahan yung affidavit na yan. Twice ka pumunta doon kay Alice Go para kumbinsihin siya. Sino yung sa Malacanang nag-utos sa'yo?
Your Honor, I did not convince Alice po to sign any document po.
You
Your Honor.
are a liar. You are a liar. Expected naman yan eh. Naisahan mo nga gobyerno how many years ago?
Mr. Chair,
30 years.
Naisahan mo na nga yung gobyerno noon pa. Ngayon pa. Mr. Chair,
Go ahead.
can I go back one question to General Macapas?
Yeah, Senator Bato and then
General
Senator-
Macapas. General Macapas. General Macapas. Wala na.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Your Honor, sir.
Kaya, paano, sabi mo kanina, ito si Mary Ann Maslog, nag-volunteer sa'yo na information. Paano siya nakapunta sa'yo? Dumirita lang siya doon sa opisina mo, may nagdala sa kanya? O sino nag-introduce sa kanya sa'yo?
As I have said earlier, Your Honor, nakilala ko po si Ma'am Jessica kasi ang pakilala ko sa kanya, sir. During the time na saya pa lang ako ng DCO. So from there, minsan nagtitext na siya sa akin tapos nagbibigay ng information.
Kaya nga, paano mo siya nakilala? Tinatanong ko, the circumstances behind, paano mo siya nakilala?
Bumisita po kasi siya minsan, sir, nung boss ko dati, nung nasa DCO pa po ako. Ako po ang saya, kaya ako ang nag-entertain sa kanya. Dahil wala po
So,
yung...
first, nagkakilala.
Opo. Year 2022.
Sino yung boss mo?
Si, sir, Police Lieutenant General Benjamin Santos, sir.
Benjamin Santos.
Yes, sir.
So pagdating dito kay Alice Go, siya mismo pumunta sa'yo about Alice Go?
If I recall it right, sir, ano lang yun, sir? Parang tawagan lang namin, sir, na nabanggit niya na may access siya kay Alice. So, through Attorney David, nakausapin namin. So, kinagat ko yung informasyon na yun, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, General Macapas. That
Yes, sir.
would be all,
Mr. Chair.